This is just going to be a basic video on how to add fractions, especially with the IG exams adding a non-calculator paper. These are the type of things we'll expect. These are quite easy, probably more see something like this. So in this video we'll do adding, the next one subtracting, and then after that multiplying and then division. So you should have remembered now, if we want to add fractions, we have to get the denominators the same. Adding a third to 2/6 is pretty tricky. So what we want to do is we want to find the common, like the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6. And in this case, it's easy. I can just double the 3 to get to 6. So what I will do is I'll multiply the top and bottom with 2. So 1 times 2 would give me 2, and 3 times 2 would give me 6. So a third is the same as 2/6. And now I have common denominators. So 5 over 6. So I have 2 plus 5, which would give me 7 over 6. And usually we want to give them an answer as a mixed fraction. So there goes, well, there's 6. Well, let's go 6 goes into 7 once. There's the 1, and there's 1 left over. And then we have 1 and 1/6. Okay. For the next one, so a half and a third. So the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, we just get by multiplying 2 and 3, and that's going to be 6 again. So in order to get to a 6, we'll have to take this 2 and multiply it by 3. Now I multiply top and bottom by the same number because 3 over 3 is 1. So whenever I have fractions like a half, if I were to multiply top and bottom with 2, for example, I'll get 2 over 4. And you know 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4, is going to be the same as 3 over 6. So by multiplying by 1, like a special 1, this 2 over 2, I'm kind of unsimplifying the fraction. So we're used to getting this and going that way. But now because we're adding the fractions and we have to get the denominators the same, we're kind of doing the opposite that we did when we simplified. So that's why I'm multiplying top and bottom with a 3. So 3 times 1 is going to be 3, and 3 times 2 is going to be 6. And this side we have to multiply by 2, top and bottom. So definitely multiplying by the same number, top and bottom, because that's just multiplying by a 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, changing up the colors. And 3 times 2 is 6. And here we have 3 plus 4 is, 7 over 6 again, which is 1 and 1 over 6. Okay. Yeah, interesting how that worked out to be the same answer. Anyway, next one here. So once we have a mixed number, we have to kind of unmix it. So we have to make it an improper fraction. And in order to do that, we multiply the 1 with the 6 at the bottom, and we add 5 at the top. So 1 times 6 is 6, easily enough. And then we're just going to add 5. So 6 plus 5 is going to be 11 over 6. So we change that up, and plus 2 over 5. And now we have to find the common or lowest common multiple between 6 and 5. You can always find a higher one and simplify in the end. But in this case, the lowest one will again just be multiplying these two numbers with each other. So it's going to be 30. So on this side, I'm going to have to take 6 times 5 and 11 times 5. So 5 times 11 is going to be 55. And 5 times 6 is going to be 30. And then on this side, I'm going to, I'm just changing up the colors. Okay, sorry about that. This side, I'm going to multiply by 6 top and bottom. So 2 times 6 is going to be 12. And 5 times 6 is going to be 30. And we're just going to add these together. So 50 and the 10 is going to give me a 6. And the 5 and the 2 gives me a 7 over 30. This is an improper fraction because we started with mixed numbers. I'm going to want to make this a mixed number as well. and 30 goes into 67. Well, 30 goes into 60 twice, and then this 7 over 30 is going to be left. 7 over 30 can't be simplified, so that's going to be our final answer.